Hello guys, I'm Harsh Goswami. I run BMW custom motorcycle. Today I introduce you to a motorcycle customized by us. Its name is the Tuk Tuk. We named this motorcycle Tuk Tuk because this motorcycle is built on the old model engine of an Enfield, which now is already known as Tuk Tuk. And we talk about the look of this motorcycle. Then we have fitted a bubble type fuel tank in this motorcycle. We have used a single sitting in this motorcycle, but along with that we have also kept the option of second sitting. Apart from this, we have installed reverse braking levers in the motorcycle, which make the vehicle look vintage. The lights that we have installed in it, the switches that we have installed, and the side number plate that we have installed, all parts made by us, which is completely handmade. The Tuk Tuk itself a vintage motorcycle, customized by BMW custom motorcycle.
Bitches come and go, bro, but you know I stay. Bitches come and go, bro, but you know I stay. Got my balls licked by a Zoe the Chanel, looking like a cocaine addict. Razor blade to your head.